Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 stars. So in this video, I'll be solving 38th problem and finding shoes basically. So it is saying chef has n friends. Chef promised that he would gift a pair of shoes consisting of one left shoe and one right shoes to each of his n friends. Chef was about to go to the marketplace to buy shoes, but he suddenly remembers that he already has m left shoes. Okay, he have left shoes, not the right shoes. That it is saying. What is the minimum number of extra shoes that chef will have to buy to ensure that he is able to gift a pair of shoes to each of his n friends? For example, if n is equal to m is equal to 4, then chef already has 4 left shoes. He has 4 left shoes, not the right shoes. So he has 2 friends, so he already has 4 left shoes. So he must buy 2 extra right shoes to form a pair of shoes and gift to a friend. So yeah, therefore chef must buy at least 2 extra shoes to ensure that he is able to gift. He is able to get n is equal to 2 pair of shoes. Yeah, like first line contains a single entity in the number of test cases. Let's do it. Int t, say int t while t minus 1. This will take care of all the test cases. First line of each test case contains two integers n and m, the number of chef's friend and the left shoes. Yeah, there are two integers n m. Let's take input and they have given three examples. First example saying 2 4. Let me take you to the board. So in first example 2 4 we have n is 2, m is 4. See, to make a pair of shoes, chef has n friends, right? So if let's say chef does not have any shoes, in that case uh, n left shoes he need to purchase and n right shoes he need to purchase, right? So 2 n will be answer when m is 0. I'm basically building up a formula how to solve this problem. So now let's assume m is not 0, which means uh, chef has some m pair of left shoes. So there will be two cases when m is greater than equals to m and when n is less than m. When m is greater than equals to m, this case I'll deal with. Let's understand this case. This is the case right now here. So when m is greater, so he has lesser number of friends, but he has more number of left shoes. So he don't need to purchase any left shoes from the market. He just need to purchase n right shoes, right? Let's say in this example, m is 4, n is 2. So he has already left shoes, 4 left shoes. So to make 2 pair of shoes, he need to purchase 2 right shoes. If you purchase 2 right shoes from the market, that is minimum. So that 2 right shoes plus 2 left shoes will make 2 pair of shoes. So in this case, like when n is less than or equals to m, our formula will come out to be n only. Right? You're getting, I think. So yeah, in this case, you'll have to return n. I think you guys got to understand like what I'm trying to say. he has already m shoes, which is greater than n. So he need to just purchase n right shoes, so that to make left right shoes pair and give it to a friend. So our formula is very simple. When n is less than m, in that case our answer will be n. Now let me take other example and explain you. So yeah, in this case I said answer will be n, which is true. 6 comma 0 we have. N is 6, m is 0, which means he don't have any pair of shoes. So in this case our answer C, it lies in this case, n is greater than equals to m. So what will he do? So let me explain directly this one, and one more example I'll take. In that case I'll explain this, because here m is 0, so it does not, this is an edge case, so you will not understand, but I'll tell you. So see, he need to purchase a pair of shoes, right? Left and right. So he has 6 friends and he don't have any shoes. So he need to purchase 6 left shoes and 6 right shoes. If he does so, he will be purchasing 12 shoes. They are not asking how many pairs of shoes he need to purchase. They are asking just how many shoes he need to purchase. Left shoes is treated as one shoe and right shoe is treated as other shoe. So in this case, our answer is 12, which is correct. Now let's take this one. This one you will get to know. 4 and 3. When n is 4, m is 3. So see, in this is the case, or n is greater than equals to m. So 4 is greater than 3. What you will have to do is, he has 3 shoes, 3 left shoes. Left shoes he has. Okay, so he has 4 friends. More, the number of shoes what he has, left shoes, is less than the number of friends he has. So if you see, he has 3 shoes. Now 4 minus 3, I mean 3 left shoes there. So he need to just purchase how many right shoes? Right shoes he'll be purchasing all the 4. Why all the 4? Because he has 4 friends, so he'll be purchasing 4 right shoes. How many left shoes he has? He has 3 left shoes. So one more left shoe is missing to make a pair, right? Here we have 3, here we have 4. So he need to again additionally purchase one left shoes. So that will give our answer as one additional, he'll be purchasing 1 left shoes and 4 right shoes. So whatever he's purchasing, that is our answer. 5 is our answer in this case. Here it is indeed 5. So how do you solve this now using formula? See, to make a pair, number of pairs has to be n only, which is our 2n. Pairs, if we see, our answer should be 2n. So I will he will take m shoes. I mean, he has m left shoes, but he need to purchase m right shoes. So this is the right shoe that he'll be purchasing. Got it? Sorry, not right shoes. Not m right shoes, n right shoes, because all he don't have any right shoes, so he need to purchase all the right shoes. So n right shoes he will be purchasing, but how many left shoes he'll be purchasing? So he have already m, so n minus m if you do, so this many left shoe he need to purchase, right? Because in this also, if you see, 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 left shoes he need to purchase, and there are n right shoes he need to purchase. So our answer, formula comes out to be n minus m plus n, so which comes to be 2n minus n. So when n is greater than equals to m, this formula you will have to use. When n is less than m, n you will have to print. It is not visible. Oh, too much lightning. I'll have to figure this out. So yeah, we have this thing. Now we'll have to consider if n is greater than equals to m. In that case, what formula we were using? We'll have to print 2 star n minus m. This many shoes you'll have to purchase. Else, how many shoes you'll have to buy? You'll have to buy n shoes. If n is less than m. Here we are getting 212i. Let's try to submit the code. Here it got accepted, so it was essentially not that hard. So I think you guys got to know how we derived this formula, and yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.